Kid Next Door.
Hello, welcome to the Kid Next Door. And today we'll be making a card, or you can say a present, or we are basically carrying out an activity for the Father's Day, which is going to come soon. So let's get started. You need very basic things for this activity. You need color papers. You need 4 different colored papers, and you need glue, scissor, pencil, like that. So these papers are A4 sized, so I'm just folding them into half, and then I'll be cutting them from in between. We will be needing only half of this paper. We'll fold it into half in the standing position we are folding it, and then in the sleeping position I have made 3 parts of it. So I have folded it, one from left side and one from right side. Then I folded it diagonally. Okay, so once you are done with these folds, you have to draw one shape out of it. So you see, the closed side is towards my left and the open side on the right, and I have drawn like a petal, like a half heart out of it. Okay, now I'm going to cut this part out. When I cut this out, what we get is we get heart shape, and we get 6 of these hearts. Okay, so we have right now here 6 purple colored hearts with. Alright, so the same thing we'll be doing with the other color papers also. I'm taking blue color, I folded it into half, cut the half part out. With the remaining half, I folded it in the standing position vertically, and then I folded it twice to make 3 parts out of it, and then a diagonal fold. In the diagonal fold, keeping the closed part on my left, I'm drawing a petal, the half of the heart, and I'm cutting it out. Okay, it's very important to draw this heart shape correctly, otherwise you'll end up cutting the heart. Okay, now I'm taking the third color paper, which is orange here. I cut it into half, and then I'm going to fold it vertically and then fold it horizontally into 3 parts, as you can very clearly see, and then diagonal fold. Keep the closed part on my left and the open part on my right. Cut the shape out, and I get the orange hearts as well. Okay, now the 4th color paper, which is yellow, which I have, I'm going to fold it horizontally, and then again the 3 folds. Okay, so one fold is coming from the left, one fold is coming from the right, so you get 3 parts here, like that. Then I'm going to use this circular cup and trace the circle out. You can use any other object as well. Cut the circle out. What we see is, when we open these circles up, we get 6 same sized circles out of it. So we have 2 circles for each colored heart. You have to keep them in this way. Okay, now we'll be working them one by one. So I have taken the purple color set first. Take the first circle, apply glue. You may use a glue stick, you may use white glue, liquid glue, anything, and then organize the 6 hearts as if they are petals of a flower. So you have to make sure that the pointy part of the heart is on the circle and the heart shaped one is outside. Apply the glue again and put the second circle on the top. Wow! Isn't that easy to get a beautiful flower? On both the sides it looks the same. We'll keep it for drying and work on the second color. So again, take the yellow circle, apply glue, place all the 6 hearts as if they are petals of the flower. Apply glue again and then put the other circle. Arrange them so that they are equidistant. Similarly, the third flower. It's pretty easy. Okay, so like this flower is also done. So we have basically 3 flowers ready with us. Now we'll work on them one by one. So again, I'm taking the purple one first. I'm using a black marker pen to write my message for the dad here. So over here I'm targeting on the what your dad would love. So you can list down activities that your dad loves to do. So for example, like my dad loves to swim, okay, to sing, or you can say whichever activity your dad likes to do, you have to basically list those down here. So you can take what I'm writing for reference, but feel free to change them to suit the liking of your father. Okay, so I have written here apart from swimming and singing, cricket, mobile, as I know most of the fathers are very fond of mobile, cricket, all of those things. You can write any other sport or any other hobby that your dad has got. Okay, you can write on the other side as well if you wish to. On the second flower, we'll be writing what all your dad is like. Okay, so the personality traits. So maybe he might be funny, okay, then kind, most dads are, and handsome, caring, soft spoken, maybe intelligent. You can write whatever your dad is like. On the third flower, we'll be enlisting what all activities or daily tasks your dad is involved in. So my dad cooks. If your dad cooks, you can write that, or you may say plays, if he plays with you, or drives, then maybe work, or fixes things. Yeah. Okay, then what? Shops. Okay, I was thinking, yeah, they can be anything that your dad is like. So we have these 3 flowers. Now we are going to connect them. To that, I'm using a pencil to poke a hole right above where we have written my. So at the same point in all of them, you very gently, very carefully, you have to just take a sharp pointy pencil and poke the circle from on the top of the where you have written my, and then make a hole, and then you can take any ribbon or a string that you may be having to kind of connect them together. So you can use the same pencil again to poke the ribbon out through these flowers. In this way you can connect them, and then you can tie them together to kind of make an album, or you can say make a booklet out of all that you have listed for your dad. So this will be like a keepsake thing for him, which he can always keep by his side. And yeah, you can write on the other side as well. You can add more flowers to it if you can think of other things, or you can put them on a piece of paper or brightly colored paper like that to make a poster out of it, or to make a card out of it. Anything like that you can do. You may additionally color these petals and the center part of the flower to make it more real, to make it more attractive. So I hope you enjoyed doing this easy craft activity with me, and I'm looking for all of your work which you can share with us on our Facebook account. So don't forget to subscribe and like us on Facebook. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.